A seismic shift just rocked the software development world. Microsoft has revealed Project Polaris, its purpose-built AI coding model, set to replace GPT-4 Turbo across all GitHub Copilot subscriptions starting August 2026. This is not just an incremental upgrade. It's a bold declaration that Microsoft is taking full control of its developer ecosystem and redefining the future of AI-powered coding. Polaris isn't a generic language model repurposed for code. It's engineered from the ground up for developers, specializing in code generation, multi-file refactoring, test writing, code review, documentation, and dependency analysis. Integrating deeply with the rhythms of real-world software development, Polaris delivers precision and speed, running on Microsoft's custom Maia 200 AI accelerators inside Azure. This move slashes inference latency and lowers operating costs, a clear leap beyond what OpenAI's infrastructure offered. For years, the Copilot partnership between OpenAI and Microsoft was commercially awkward. Two titans, one overlapping user base, both chasing the same AI developer market. OpenAI's Codex targeted GitHub Copilot directly, while Microsoft sought to distinguish its enterprise offerings. With Polaris, Microsoft breaks free. Now, model, infrastructure, and developer experience are unified, fully under Microsoft's command. Migration to Polaris begins in August, with all Copilot subscriptions transitioning automatically. Teams wanting to stick with GPT-4 Turbo get a 3-month grace period. But the real question is, can Polaris compete at the highest benchmark? If it matches or beats Claude Opus 4.8's SWE-bench Pro score of 69.2%, Microsoft will retake the developer AI crown. Otherwise, Anthropic's Claude Code remains king. Build 2026 didn't stop at Polaris. Microsoft announced the open-sourced Windows Agent Framework, Azure Agent Mesh, enabling federated multi-agent execution, Copilot Workspace general availability, Agent Mode default for Office 365, Foundry Local for private deployments, and multi-model support on Azure AI Foundry, including models from Anthropic and beyond. This is more than a product update. It's a statement about the trajectory of AI-assisted software development. Developers now face a new landscape, one where Microsoft sets the pace, and the future of coding is shaped by innovation, control, and a renewed sense of possibility. Stay tuned. The era of Polaris has just begun,